Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in English prose. In Unit 2, you have two chapters to go. There is one beautiful poem, Bird Talk, and another is a beautiful story. I want all of you to go through the poem and the story, understand what is given there, and then only you will do the hard words and word meanings and other exercises that I will give you in the PDF form. So let's start with our Unit 2. Bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people. The way they grow, they don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? I want you to go through the poem, and this beautiful poem is written by Ellen Fisher. Nina and the Baby Sparrow. There was a great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez, then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheek. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheek. Mother, she said, there's a sparrow nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said Mother. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep cheep, asking for food. I see, said Mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked, and how will Papa and Mama Sparrow feed their babies? Oh, Nina, cried Mother, giving her a big hug. Is that you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's not problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, Mother? Can we? Really? Yes, yes. We will remove all our things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama Sparrows can come and go freely too. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea when Nina came back from the wedding. There were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room, and Nina wasn't thrilled. This is the story of Nina. Nina is a small girl and who is going for the wedding, but in her book, in her on her bookshelf in her room, there was a nest which was in which two baby sparrows were there. So Nina didn't want to leave them behind while they are away to enjoy the wedding of her aunt. So she's told her mother that the baby sparrows, they will they will die if their parents are not going to feed them. So her mama gave her a choice that we can leave the window open so the father and mother of the sparrows can come and feed them. And when they returned from Delhi from the wedding, Nina saw that the baby sparrows become big sparrows. They grew, and they were flying in her room. So, this is the story that you have to read the way I read, pointing your finger on each word, and then you have to do the reading. Okay, I'll give you the hard words in the PDF form, and I want you to write them in your notebook. Fine, so this is all about the Unit 2, the poem and this story. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you understood the poem and the story given in Unit 2. I want all of you to please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. This is going to help you to get the notifications in the mailbox for all the upcoming videos, and you won't lose even a single one of them. Also, I want you to read, once you see the explanation video, after that you have to do the reading on your own. Otherwise, you will forget what you have learned. And if you read after watching the video, it is actually going to get into your mind, into your brain perfectly, and you will never forget the concept ever again. Thank you once again for watching my video.